Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get BeamNG Drive on your tablet. Since BeamNG Drive is a PC-exclusive title, direct installation on a tablet is not possible. However, you can still enjoy its incredibly realistic soft body physics and detailed vehicle simulation on your mobile device. We will explore two primary methods: utilizing cloud gaming platforms and streaming the game from your own powerful computer. Both options offer a fantastic way to experience this demanding game on a smaller screen. One excellent way to play BeamNG Drive on your tablet is through cloud gaming services. Platforms such as GeForce Now, Boosteroid, and Shadow PC allow you to access the game running on powerful remote servers. Your tablet simply receives the video stream, letting you play without needing a high-performance device yourself. You will generally need a subscription to these services and a fast, reliable internet connection, ideally with at least 25 megabits per second download speed, for a smooth experience. Another fantastic option is to stream BeamNG Drive directly from your personal gaming computer to your tablet. Applications such as Steam Link allow you to mirror your PC's display and controls, effectively turning your tablet into a portable screen for the game. For this to work well, you will need a robust gaming PC capable of running BeamNG Drive smoothly and a very strong, stable Wi-Fi connection within your home network. This setup gives you full control over your game installation and any mods. Regardless of your chosen method, a fast and stable internet connection is absolutely essential for a seamless experience, ideally over a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network. For optimal gameplay, connecting a Bluetooth controller to your tablet is highly recommended, as touch controls can be challenging for this complex simulator. Finally, please be aware that any apps claiming to be a native BeamNG Drive mobile version are unofficial and potentially harmful. The authentic game is exclusively available on PC.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.